Hey everybody, Corncob CB Shop here, and have some kind of bad news. This week I lost a business associate, friend, whatever, for some factors that I couldn't really control, but I'm not mad at the guy and I'm not upset. So a friend of mine, I mentioned him on the channel before, he's bought some radios for me, he's built some radios for me. You know, we've had several good business dealings, no problem. A few weeks ago, he bought an HS4 from the shop, and it got there, and it was a little scratched up, and this was actually my fault. I put the mounting bracket on there and didn't cover it up. It arrived safely, other than the mounting bracket scratched the radio to heck and back. I offered him a refund or send it back. I'd send him another one. He said no, it was fine. And he talked about how well he packed his radios, and I will 100% say that he packs his radios for battle, which is a direct quote from him. But he purchased another HS4. I sent it to him, and I'll put some pictures here. This box got beat to heck and back. I mean, it looks rough. It's got holes torn in it. It looks like half of it was smashed, and like they took it and slammed it over the edge of something. Like it was pretty rough shape. The radio survived, but he said he wasn't going to be doing business with the shop anymore because of that. And I understand his frustration, I really do. And I'm not mad at the guy or anything like that. We have no hard feelings, but I completely understand it. I completely understand what happened. I packed the radio in the original box with some packing material to keep it from shifting around in a professional grade box, which I ship everything in. I order these boxes especially for radios. Like, they're a little bit thicker than reused Amazon boxes and stuff like that. And when he sent me this, I was really surprised. It was out of my control. I offered a refund. I don't have any more HS4s, but he said the radio survived and he wanted to keep it. So that's awesome. But I do want to say, when you're buying and selling radios, these things do happen. It can get frustrating, especially when you sell something on eBay. eBay takes a lot of your fees. You know, okay, I priced this at $15 to ship, and it cost me more than $15 to ship. I thought I did a due diligence, but this individual did say that he packs it because he feels like it's his responsibility to make sure the radio arrives safely. I felt what I did was industry standard for sure, but it got broke and messed up. So I completely understand this individual's frustration. I know he watches the channel. I'm sorry this happened, 100%. If you still want to send it back, you're more than welcome to. You're a great guy. I really enjoy dealing with you. But hey man, I understand. Guys, have some grace for people who are buying and selling radios and trying to do things right and be honorable. That's what I try to do. There's a lot of CB shops that'll scam you, or there's a lot of shady characters in this business. I'm not trying to do that by any means. It's corncobcbshop.com. I only have a few radios left in stock right now, waiting on some more to come in. We have a lot going on family-wise right now, so videos are going to be slow for the next few months. I'm trying to get ahead with the addition of a new family member. So hang tight, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry this happened to you, buddy. We're going to make sure it doesn't happen to anybody else if we can prevent it. But I got to say, USPS let me down. This is my fourth problem I've had in probably 4 years of radios being smashed and tore up. A 7300 that I shipped that I felt like, I did a good job, double boxed, everything like that. The SMA connector, not SMA, but the antenna connector on the back was smashed. I had the radio get smashed in when I first started selling on eBay. And then these two HS4s, just a bad situation all around. Like I said, have grace, have mercy. 73 guys, thanks for watching. Corncob CB Shop, corncobcbshop.com, 73.